Yes, exercise 8. We have a figure here, the graph of a function f, and the graph goes through the point -2, -6. This is this point here, down here, and the point 0, 0, and the point 1, 3/4. And we also get the derivative of the function here. And then it says in exercise A, decide f derivative of 0. And then we just put 0 into the derivative, so I get 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, and 0 plus 2. So this is -1, this is -1, and this is 2. -1 times -1 is +1 times 2 is 2. So that's the gradient of the tangent line in this point here, right? So that's exercise A. And exercise B. Find the equation of the tangent line here. Okay, then we just use the point gradient formula, Edmond's formula. That's nearly always the case when we should find a tangent line. And we need x1, which is the x coordinate of the point. We need y1, which is the y coordinate of the point. And we need a, which is the derivative to the slope in this point of the tangent line, which is 2. So it's y minus 0 is equals to 2 times x minus 0. So we get y is equals to 2x. That is exercise B. And then exercise C, it says that show that this is the minimum point and this is a terrassepunkt. And it shows visberegning, show by calculation, which means that you just can't see on the graph. We can't just use the graph. But how do we determine if a point is a maximum point or minimum point? Well, we can always draw the sine line of the derivative. That may not feel like doing it by calculation, but it is. By calculation just means that we can't just look at the graph. So we can draw the sine line of the derivative, and then we should first factorize the derivative, but that already is factorized, so we can just put up all the factors like this. And this is 0 when x is 1 minus, and this is the same sine line, and x plus 2 is 0 and x is minus 2, like this. So there's the sine of every factor. And then we know the sign of the product, which is the derivative. So it's minus 3 minuses is minus, 0, 2 minuses is plus, 0 is 0, plus times plus times plus is plus. So this tells us that the function is first decreasing, then increasing, and then increasing again. So it's decreasing, and then it's increasing. So this is the minimum point. So, and then it's increasing here, and then it takes a pause here. The derivative is 0, and then it keeps on increasing. So this is a terrassepunkt, right? So then we are finished with exercise C here.